Pere Ocean was established in 1986, which pioneered the bulk bottled water and cooler rental industry in Singapore. Then, it has started up its own factory, Ocean Mineral Water Malaysia Sendiri in Berhad, in Johor in 1990. Pere Ocean produces its own natural sources, set in green and clean environment. We are committed to excellence throughout the production process, logistical process, and customer services. Pere Ocean spares no cost in supplying only the highest quality of beverages and healthy drinks. We are now going global by exporting our products to Australia, China, Japan, and others. Our products win warm praise from customers such as Pere Ocean Natural Mineral Water, Distilled Drinking Water, Fruity Flavored Vitaminized Drink, Boost Isotonic Drink, Amu Soda Drink, and Juice. Stay healthy with Pere Ocean Drinking Water. Let's drink to life.